Hello student, good morning. So today I am going to start new chapter, chemical effect of electric current. So before starting this chapter, let us know about all these topics. So first topic is electric current, I mean introduction. Okay, second topic, do liquids conduct electricity? Do liquids conduct electricity? Third topic is chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effect of electric current, and our last topic is electroplating. Okay, so here our first topic is electric current, second topic is do liquids conduct electricity, third topic chemical effect of electric current, and fourth topic electroplating. Okay, so we will discuss all these topics step by step. Okay, so now today I am going to start. The first topic is introduction part, I mean electric current. Electric current I mean flow of charges. Okay, so an electric current is a stream of charges, charged particles such as electrons or ions moving through an electrical conductor. Okay, electric current is a stream of charged particles such as electrons and ions moving through an electric conductor. So there are many things around you. Can electric current pass through all these things? Its answer is no. The electric current need a conducting material to pass. So now we discuss conducting material. Okay, I mean conductor and insulator. Okay, conductor. A conductor is one from which electric current can pass because the conductor has free electrons. Conductor has free electrons that can flow from one place to another place within the conductor. Okay, so what is a conductor? A conductor is one form which electric current can pass because the conductor has free electrons that can flow from one place to another place within the conductor. But insulator, so its examples are metal wire, okay, salt water. And insulator, it do not have free electrons. Okay, it do not have free electrons due to which electric current do not pass through insulator. Okay, so this is the difference between both of them, conductor and insulator. In conductor, there are many free electrons that can flow from one place to another place within the conductor, and examples are metal wire, salt water. But insulator, it do not have free electrons which can flow from one place to another place. Okay, due to which electric current do not pass through insulators. And its examples are wood, plastics. Okay. So we can write in short form of conductor and insulator. So now we discuss its short definitions. Firstly, conductor. A conductor is any material or substance that allows electricity to flow through it. Okay. An insulator is any substance or material that prevents the flow of electricity through it. Okay, so these are the short definitions of conductor and insulator. Okay, so you can write here, a conductor is any material or substance that allow electricity to flow through it. An insulator is any substance or material that prevent the flow of electricity through it. So we discussed some points of conductor and insulator. The electrons of the conductors can flow freely and hence can take electric current through them and can take electric current through them. Okay, the electrons of conductor can flow freely and hence can take electric current through them. Okay, this is the first point. And second point is, insulators do not allow the flow of charges through them because their electrons are tightly packed with their particles. Okay, these are some important points here. The first is, the electrons of conductor can flow freely and hence can take electric current through them. And the second, insulator do not allow the flow of charges through them because their electrons are tightly packed with their particles, and these electrons do not move from one place to another place within the conductor. So, can liquid conduct electricity? Can liquid conduct electricity? So this is our second topic. Okay, so here, not all liquid can conduct electricity. Not all liquid can conduct electricity. However, some of them can be regarded as good conductors conductors of electricity, while others as poor conductors of electricity. Okay. So can all liquid conduct electricity? So its answer is not. Not all liquids can conduct electricity. However, some of them can be regarded as good conductors of electricity while other as poor conductor of electricity. Okay. So water containing salt and minerals dissolved in it always conduct electricity. So water containing salts and minerals dissolved in it always conduct electricity. Okay. And distilled water which does not contain any salt cannot conduct electricity. Okay. So water containing salts and minerals dissolved in it always conduct electricity, and the distilled water which does not contain any salt, cannot conduct electricity. So here we take some material and good conductor and poor conductor. Okay. So first, distilled water, it is a poor conductor of electricity. Second, tap water, okay, this is the first. And tap water, it is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, this is the first and this is the second. And third, lemon juice, it is a good conductor of electricity. Fourth, vinegar is a poor conductor of electricity. Fifth number, cooking oil is a good conductor of electricity. And the sixth example is milk. Okay, so milk is also good conductor of electricity. Seven number, honey is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay. 8 number, soda compounds are good conductor of electricity. Okay. 9, mercury is a good it's a good conductor. It's a good conductor of electricity. Okay, these are some examples, these are some materials given here, And now we choose which are good conductor of electricity or which are not good conductor of electricity. So there are many examples here. So distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity. Tap water is good conductor. Lemon juice is a good conductor. Vinegar is a poor conductor of electricity. Cooking oil is a good conductor of electricity. Milk is a good conductor of electricity. Honey is a poor conductor of electricity. Soda compounds are good conductor of electricity, and mercury is a good conductor. Mercury is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, so these are some materials.